तो हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करने वाले हैं जीके क्विज। जो जीतेगा उसको मिलेगा एक फेरारी राशन। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं।
First question. What is the process by which plants make their own food?
फोटोसिंथेसिस।
Correct. Kirtana gets 1 point. Second question. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? Avni.
कैमल।
Correct. Third question. Who invented computer? Avni.
चेल्सी कैब।
No, wrong.
Wrong,
Kirtana?
चेल्सी बैगन।
Wrong. Both of you wrong.
Answer is Charles Babbage.
Oh,
Both of you get 0 points. Next, fourth question. Which is the most sensitive organ of our body?
Avni.
Avni. Skin. Correct. Okay. So, fifth question. The longest river of India.
Kirtana.
गंगा।
Correct. Next one. Which planet is known as a red planet?
Avni.
Avni.
मार्स।
Next one. Which is the largest desert in the world?
Kirtana.
सहारा रिजॉर्ट।
Correct. Next one. How many legs does a spider have?
Kirtana.
Kirtana.
8।
Correct. Next one. What do plants release during photosynthesis?
Avni.
Avni.
ऑक्सीजन।
Correct. That's all. How many wheels does a tricycle have?
Avni.
Avni. Okay. So the winner is Avni. And
I get the chocolate. Hey,